What's up YouTube? Jeff back again today with a very exciting tech video for you guys. And if you've ever walked out of a meeting, an interview, or a brainstorming session at work, and you knew there was something that you were supposed to remember, but you couldn't quite remember what, today I have the device for you. This is ANYPIN. ANYPIN is a next-gen Wi-Fi wearable AI voice recorder designed to be compact, discreet, and genuinely smart. It doesn't just record audio, it turns conversations into organized, searchable, summarized information. In today's video, we're going to unbox it, take a look at the various feature sets, the recording quality, the transcription and summary quality, and all of the other features that you get in the app. So let's go ahead and get started. Right out of the box with the ANYPIN, the thing that stands out here is the size. It's incredibly compact, around the size of a chapstick or lipstick container that you might keep in your pocket or your purse. It also is incredibly light and also thin. The ANYPIN is less than 1 centimeter thick and weighs roughly the same as 2 pairs of AirPods, which you know how light those are in your ears, so it's truly wearable. You can clip it onto clothing, wear it with the lanyard that will be offered as an additional accessory, or customize the look using the decorative strips. It's designed to blend in and not scream recording device to everyone looking at your shirt, which is exactly what you want for everyday use with an AI voice recorder. The buttons feel tactile, the build quality feels very solid, and overall this feels very purpose-built for a daily recording experience, which is what I really like, taking it right out of the packaging. The recording process is very simple. You just tap to start, tap to stop, and the audio quality here is one of the biggest strengths of this device. Unlike many traditional wearable recorders that rely on dual microphone setups, ANYPIN uses a 4-microphone array that allows it to perform more advanced noise reduction, isolate voices more effectively, and capture clear audio even in the most challenging environments. The result is noticeably cleaner recordings, especially in places like offices, cafes, or other shared spaces where you might have a lot of that background noise. ANYPIN is also rated for up to 98% transcription accuracy in clean speech, and that accuracy is made possible by both the microphone hardware and intelligent noise processing working together. Yeah, so basically people just go there, submit their screenshot, and then we verify it. Make sure there's nothing crazy going on. Make sure everything's legitimate. And for Apple users, there's a really useful integration with the Apple ecosystem in iOS that's worth calling out here. ANYPIN can link directly with Apple Focus Mode, enabling smart start and stop recording behavior. That means recordings can automatically align with your focus settings, helping ensure conversations are captured when they should be without you constantly managing the device manually, and everything you do in iOS already is taking care of this. More advanced automation features like remote control and fully context-aware triggers are part of the ANYPIN roadmap, though not all are active in the current demo version that I was testing. Another major differentiator for this AI voice recorder is Wi-Fi cloud syncing. Instead of slow Bluetooth transfers, ANYPIN uploads recordings automatically over high-speed Wi-Fi, making them available in the cloud up to 20 times faster. You finish recording and moments later, it's already accessible in the app, no cables, and no waiting. If you record frequently, this alone is going to save you a surprising amount of time. You'll be able to get in there, get your summaries, get your information from the app quicker, and that means that you can also use that information to get back to work faster, which is fantastic. And once the recordings sync, the AI layer and smarts in the app take over to make sure that you get all of that important information and you get it formatted exactly how you need it. ANYPIN automatically transcribes your audio, intelligently segments conversations by topic, and generates clean summaries you can review or share in the app. One important point to mention here, ANYPIN currently includes 380 minutes of free AI transcription per month, which is the longest free transcription allowance among comparable products on the market. That's a huge value add because sometimes you're going to have to pay $5 to $10 a month to get that amount of recording transcription time. That's a big deal, especially if you're recording regularly and don't want to hit that paywall. You can also use record and note mode where your notes and recordings are combined into an enhanced summary report, which is great for meetings, interviews, or collaborative work. Advanced features like continuous all-day recording and GPT-powered chat interaction are planned, though once again, those are not all available on the demo device that ANYPIN sent out for testing, but these are incredibly compelling, and these are some things that really set it apart from other AI voice recorders on the market and made me really excited to test this device. And one concern always when you're talking about any kind of device that's recording you is privacy and security, and ANYPIN really takes privacy seriously, and it shows. All recordings are encrypted locally on the device, and cloud storage is fully encrypted end-to-end. ANYPIN also supports context-aware privacy controls, which can pause recordings in sensitive locations like homes or private offices. On the language side, Transcription supports 120 plus languages, making it incredibly useful for international conversations or if you're traveling for work in another country. The demo currently translates into English, French, and Spanish. Broader translation support will be supported when the platform goes live and the retail release is fully rolled out. Let's quickly run down some of those hardware specs because I know some of you guys out there will be curious about that as well on the ANYPIN device. From a hardware perspective, ANYPIN includes 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, 380 milliamp hour battery for extended recording time, and importantly, an IP64 dust and water resistance rating, which is actually key because you're going to be wearing this on your shirt. You could definitely get some water on this, a spill from a drink or something like that. That means it's suitable for a wider range of real-world scenarios without needing to baby this device. So the real question is, who is this for and who should buy it? The ANYPIN is perfect if you're a professional, student, journalist, creator, or entrepreneur who wants to stop worrying about remembering everything and focus on the conversation or meeting itself. And this is a very compelling solution. And Kickstarter backers also get the free lanyard accessory that I mentioned earlier would be offered as an optional add-on. That's a really cool value add because it adds another interesting way to keep track of the device and wear it around your neck. All the links are below if you guys want to check out the device, learn more about potentially reserving one of these when the launch does roll out widely. I had a lot of fun reviewing the ANYPIN. Huge shout out to them for sending out this device and sponsoring the video. If you guys have any questions about the device, practical battery life, other use cases that you might have, I'd be happy to answer you guys in the comments below. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.